Welcome to SENFENG, Jinan SENFENG Laser Technology Company Limited, founded in 2007 in Jinan, Shandong, is a well-known brand in China. We are a leading manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of fiber laser cutting machine, fiber laser welder, fiber laser cleaner, fiber laser cladding machine, 3D robots, panel bender, CNC milling machine, and new energy. And machines have passed CE, ETL, ISO certification. In order to provide customers with more convenient localized services, SENFENG has established subsidiaries and service centers in the United States, Germany, the United Arab Emirates, India, Pakistan, and Vietnam. SENFENG has 4 standardized manufacturing bases, with a total area of over 110,000 square meters. With more than 1,000 employees, our company has multiple sets of fully automated production equipment, strict production processes, annual production capacity of 7,000 units, and supply solutions for customers around the world with various quality products, 5-star service, and accountability. SENFENG has a professional core R&D team and a well-established after-sales technical support department, accountable pre-sales and after-sales service, online support to answer customer questions in 24 hours, free installation training, and overseas engineering service available.